Hi, I'm David Stoffo at MarineMax here in Beaufort, Georgia. Got a great boat for you to look at today. It's our SPX 210. It's a 2019 model with the great black hull side. Got the nice sports tower on this particular model. This particular model has the 4.5 liter Mercury engine. It's going to come with the Infinity flooring in here, which is a real pretty color. You've got your depth finder included. It's got the nice tilt wheel for us. Real nicely appointed. You got your bolster seats to ride a little bit taller or stand driving. Love that about the boat. You got your Bluetooth stereo, which is great. The Fusion is excellent, and I think you're going to really enjoy the performance and the ride of this boat. My name is David Stoffo. I'm here at Beaufort, Georgia, MarineMax on Lanier Islands Parkway. You're invited to come and see this boat in person and take a ride with me. I think you'll really enjoy it.